In this video, I'll show you how to add an automatic pop-up quiz to your Shopify homepage. First, make sure the quiz you want to display is set as the default quiz. In the app, click the three dots next to your quiz, choose Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes in Shopify, and click Customize. If you want the automatic pop-up to appear only on your homepage, open the Template section, click Add section, go to Apps, and select Auto Pop-Up Quiz by RevenueHunt. From this point on, the quiz will display automatically after a set delay. You can adjust the settings in the Auto Pop-Up Quiz panel. For example, change the delay in seconds to control how quickly the pop-up appears. Remember, the automatic pop-up is shown only once per user session so it doesn't become too intrusive. You can also change the pop-up width and height. By default, it's full screen, but you can set it to 90% or another size. The Z-index controls the stacking order of elements, so if something like a chat widget overlaps your quiz, increase the Z-index to bring the pop-up to the front. Another option is Exit Intent, which triggers the pop-up whenever a user tries to leave your homepage. Use this carefully, as it can feel intrusive. Finally, you can display a specific quiz instead of the default by entering its quiz ID. To do this, save your changes, go back to the app, copy the ID of the quiz you want, return to the theme editor, and paste it into the quiz ID field. That quiz will now appear instead of the default. If you remove the ID, the default quiz will show again. Once you're happy with the settings, save your changes and preview your store. Keep in mind the pop-up shows only once per session, so when testing, open your store in an incognito window to make sure it appears. And that's it. Your automatic pop-up quiz will now load on your homepage after the delay you've set. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.